Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Instructure account on your PC. Instructure is an online platform used for educational purpose. It is used by both students and instructors, which helps them for online learning, collaboration and communication. To log in to your Instructure account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.instructure.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of Instructure. Now here you can see login option on top right corner. Click on login. Then here you can see you can log in to different type of accounts within Instructure. I'm going on with the most popular one, that is Canvas. Now click on Canvas. Now here you can see you can select various of account type within Canvas. One is students and educators, free Canvas account, Canvas community and Canvas network. I'm going on with students and educators. So here you need to first search the school that you are affiliated with. So for that you need to first enter your district or school name on the given box. And then here you need to click on the school that you belong to. With this, you'll be taken to exclusive instructor sign-in page of that school. Now here you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your account. Then you need to enter the correct password of your account on the given box. Now if you want to change your password, then you can click on change password option. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on forgot password option. With this, after entering all your credentials, click on login. Then you'll be logged into your Instructure account. Now, you can also log into other type of accounts as well. Here, I am going to log into free Canvas account. This is the account that is not associated with any kind of a school. So, click on free Canvas account option on the left side. Then here you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your account. Then you need to enter the correct password of your account. Similarly, you can log in using your Facebook, GitHub, Google account, or your LinkedIn account, your Microsoft account, or your X account. Then after entering your credentials, you can click on login. With this, now here you'll be logged in to your Instructure account. This is how we can log in Instructure account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.